Sophie and I are here to tell you why we love CTC Math. We've been using CTC Math for 3 years. We've reviewed it 3 times. This is our 4th time. So if you go to our site, Our Good Life, you will see exactly why we love it. But we wanted to come on and actually show you why we like CTC Math. Before we go any further, I need to let you know that this is sponsored by CTC Math. I was not required to talk about them positively, but since we love them, that's an easy thing to do. So this is Sophie. Sophie's been using them for 3 years, and she's going to tell you why she likes CTC Math.
I like it because it's easy to use. It's fun. There's a lot of lessons, and it's pretty easy.
It is easy. One of the things Sophie and I struggled with 3 years ago is when I would try and teach a math lesson, I would get frustrated because Sophie wasn't understanding the way that I was teaching it. And then she would get frustrated, I would get frustrated, and math was not fun at all. We tried CTC Online because I can simply tell Sophie or ask Sophie to go get her math, and she goes online, and there's a wonderful teacher who teaches her, does all the lessons, she does the questions, and I am completely out of the equation, which is wonderful. So when Sophie goes online, what she does here is we go to the CTC Math site. She logs in with her name, and then here you can see all the different tests. Right now, Sophie is working on measurement, and so she can simply click on a test that she wants to do or a lesson, and there'll be a video of it. Go ahead and click. Can you click on it? There you go. So you can see it comes up, and a video will actually play. Go ahead and hit play. Oh.
It's automatic. Did you turn the volume
And then
up?
I've turned the volume down so we can talk over it, but you can just see how there's a lesson that will come up, and then Sophie can listen to the video. It's usually about 4 minutes, and then after that there's 20 or so questions that she's able to answer. The best part about it is that after Sophie completes her questions, we get to print them off, right? So we can see immediately how she did, and then they go in her daily file. Sophie, do you want to tell about the rewards?
Every time you complete a certain amount of questions, there is a certificate that you can print out. You will get a bronze, silver, gold, or platinum, depending on how well you do.
Yep. So Sophie's doing really good. She gets lots of gold and lots of silver. We're still working on our platinum, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So one of the other things that I really like about CTC Math is it's one subscription since we homeschool, and we can put Sophie, we have our 8-year-old daughter Bella using it, and our 5-year-old Sam is going to start using it this year. So we're really super excited. Trying to think. I guess the last thing we want to tell you is that while we are in the East Coast of the United States, CTC Math is a company based out of Australia. So we have noticed that there sometimes are a little bit different terminologies, but we really haven't had too much of a problem with it, and we've really, really enjoyed it. So, Sophie, do you have anything else that you want to say?
Not really.
Not really. So I would say we give CTC Math 2 thumbs up.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. That's why we love CTC Math.